In this video, I will show you how to double crochet. It is important to identify which stitch from the previous row your double crochet will go into. Do that first, and then start your double crochet stitch. Wrap, insert, wrap, pull through two, wrap, pull through two. Each double crochet is exactly the same. Pull through two, wrap, insert, wrap, pull through, wrap, pull through, wrap, pull through two. Insert, wrap, pull through two, wrap, pull through two, and you have done your double crochet.